Commentary driving by instructor.
There's some works going on. There's oncoming car. I'm going to slow down and position slightly left side and humps. And there's oncoming cars and the pedestrian on the left side. We are approaching a traffic light. Traffic light being green long time. I'm expecting it's changing now. I'm going to turn left at the traffic light. So from now, center mirror, left signal. There's a advanced stopping line. The paint is not really clear. I'm going to stop behind the first line. Traffic lane changing, quick check on the mirror. And we are going into the new road. The new speed limit, still same, 20 speed limit. There's a van approaching a bit faster. I'm going to slow down a bit. Fine, safe. There's some vehicles coming. The speed limit is 20. I'm a bit over. Now I'm going to slow down a little bit, check the mirror. Come back to the left side, center mirror, right mirror, go back to the right side. Okay, there's a van coming. So van a little bit wider. So I'm going a bit slower because this gap is a bit narrow. I'm making sure I'm safe on the left side as well. Now I'm checking the mirror, increasing the speed a little bit. And there's some obstruction as well. So these things are designed for slow down the traffic. Nobody behind me. Go nice and slowly. And watch out the curbs, and also the lorry parked and the tires turned towards the roadside. Okay, there's oncoming car. There's plenty of space. I'm going to follow the signs to North Cheam Lower Modern, which is at the end of the road. Turn right. After the zebra crossing, turn right. So there's a zebra crossing. I can see right side is clear. I can see the left side is clear as well. So I'm going to turn right. So mirror, signal, and already the red car inside the central reservation, so that the car is going. The new driver. There's some cars are approaching from the right side. The learner car is indicating left. I hope they're going to turn, and I'm going into the box. Look left is clear. Turn. At the traffic light, I'm going to turn left. So I'm going to keep left. So center mirror, left signal, and the speed limit going to change after this traffic light. The speed limit is new speed limit going to be 30, and there is a 2 lanes. There's a filter light for me as well, and there's van behind me. So after I turn from this traffic light, turn left. Shortly, I'm going to turn right. I'm following the signs to lower modern. Okay, I can see there's a car start moving. That's it. Filter light for me. The new speed limit is 30 speed limit. So I'm looking for the hazards. So I need to make sure the left lane is clear. Until I can see far ahead, there are any obstruction in my path, but there's a van coming behind me in my lane. So there's obstruction on the right side. Traffic light being green long time. The van following me safe distance but little bit faster. There's a black car try to U-turn or go into the side road. There's a van coming out from the side road, is still fine. I'm going to turn right. So I'm going to move off to the right lane. So center mirror, right signal, checking my right shoulder blind spot, make sure it's safe, and cancel the signal. The right lane is turning right only. So I'm going to indicate now. So center mirror, right signal. This indicator helps other road users. Before the car is approaching, I can turn. I didn't make that car slow down. So I can see ahead some parked vehicle and the speed limit changing ahead. So I need to make sure 1 meter from the parked vehicle. There's oncoming car. So I need to less space, less speed. Safe. And I'm targeting the middle hump. So speed limit is changed. Now the speed limit is 20. So try to make the hump exactly underneath the car. There's a parked vehicle, nobody behind me. I'm going to change my direction. Center mirror, right mirror, safe. There's oncoming cars. Still speed limits is 20. I am keeping 1 meter from the car on the parked vehicle on the left side. There's a car approaching. I'm going to slow down, ease off, center mirror, left mirror, come back to my normal driving position. And the road is bending towards the left side. And some parked vehicle on the left side. Nobody still behind me. There's an oncoming car. So I can go past this car safely. So center mirror, right mirror, safe. Center mirror, left mirror, come back. Bit fast. 20 speed limit. There's some parked vehicle on the right side and oncoming van. So I need to keep really well to the left, and if this gap is really narrow, I need to consider slow down. So I'm keeping around 19 mile, and there's a humps I can see. Still nobody behind me. Still there's a parked vehicle. Ease of the gas. I'm not using a brake, just using a gas only. Now I'm checking the mirror and give a little bit gas. I reached 19, perfect speed limit. And there's a car, 2 cars going in front of me. Still 20 speed limits, a repeater sign again. So this is the difference in the 20 speed limits and between the 30 speed limit. I can see the warning sign, you are approaching a roundabout. Okay, there's a van coming, and also there's a parked vehicle on the right side. So they are coming towards me. So I need to consider slightly left and slowly. I'm going to turn right, third exit. Center mirror, right signal. There's some obstructions. They're designed for slow down the traffic. You can see it's a little bit busy. After the van is clear, I'm expecting this car, 2 cars can go. Still right side is clear. Focus on your positioning. It's fine, clear. I'm going inside the lane, and I'm going to go in the middle lane. Still I'm turning right. I just passed my first exit. I'm keeping in the middle lane. Indicate goes off. It's fine. I'm following this lane. After I pass the second exit, center mirror, left signal. I'm still keeping the indicator. Don't worry about cancelling a signal now. After you straight back, indicate cancel itself. Okay, I can see there's some slow moving traffic ahead. So the learner going a bit slower. Traffic light still green. No one waiting nearby the traffic light. I hope no one pressed it. And there's some side road. So I'm going to keep the safe distance from the in front of the car. And no one turning right. So the cars keep moving. Still speed limit is 20. Side roads, obstructions, pedestrian crossing, parked vehicle on the right side, and a little bit queue vehicles behind me and in front of me. So really wider road, but still speed limit is 20. Warning sign, school. So I'm keeping safe position from the curb and decent distance from the van in front, and road a little bit wet, so braking distance going to be double. In the good weather condition, you need to keep 2-second gap. In the wet weather, you have to keep 4-second gap. Traffic light still green, ignore it. That's it, fine. Still there's a 20 speed limit again. Repeater sign. The car is pulling over. The van is trying to come towards us. So I'm going to keep my position slightly left side. Let them pass. There's a bus coming up. Still I have plenty of space, so maybe the oncoming cars could be overtaken. But I have to keep the safe distance as well. And I am going under the speed limit as well. Okay. The bus is moving off. That's fine. I can see traffic light warning sign, repeater sign again, 20 speed limit. You are approaching a roundabout. I can see the roundabout is a 2 mini roundabouts, but before that there's a traffic light. Nobody waiting nearby, still green, fine. That's it. I'm approaching 2 mini roundabout. I'm going to turn left. Both roundabout turn left first exit. So from now, center mirror, left signal. My right side is not really clear. I'm going really steady speed, fine, safe. The car is approaching. I hope he's not indicating. That's good distance as well, fine. One way. So this is the one-way road. Park vehicle on the right side, and there's a delivery van on the left side, and park vehicle on the left side. Still 2 cars following, 3 vehicles behind me as well, and there's some traffic in front of me as well. At the end of the road, we are going to turn left, about 5 to 6 car length. So we need to give enough time to react other road users behind. So center mirror, left signal. I can see the brake light. So this is the one-way road. So only the vehicles are coming from there and opposite direction as well. So this is the one-way road. Look ahead and keep nice and slowly and steadily. So these poles are designed for slowing down the traffic. Fine, both fine. I'm approaching a mini roundabout. I'm going straight ahead. Let's see. If I indicate left, if there's oncoming vehicles, they will get benefit. Fine. So park vehicle, center mirror, right mirror, move direction. I am trying to keep it exactly underneath. I'm making the hump exactly underneath the car. I'm keeping the safe distance from the park vehicle from the left side as well, and dot 20. Ease of the gas because I can see the hump. Giving a little bit gas now, checking the mirror. This is the normal driving position. Change direction, so center mirror, right mirror. Change direction. Still park vehicle there. Pedestrian with the dog. Dog tried to come in the road. I can see the man crossing with the two dogs. And I can see the warning sign. Roundabout is a mini roundabout. So I'm going to keep my position. I don't need to go back and come back because there are no any oncoming vehicles. If there's oncoming vehicle, I maybe move slightly left side and give away to them as well. Okay, we are approaching a mini roundabout. I can't see clearly on the right side, so I need to go slowly, nice and steady. Is clear, clear, clear. Right side is clear, empty. Fine, the van is pulling over, so it's not a problem. And also, my way is clear. There's a zebra crossing. Park vehicle on the left side. The pedestrian crossed. Fine. Still the blue car is following me behind. I'm looking. Anybody crossing? No, because this pillar is going to block my view. I'm changing my direction. I'm approaching a train crossing. So it's controlled by traffic light. Immediately after the train crossing, I'm going to turn right. So I'm going to keep it. Observe, observe, observe. Fine. I'm keeping my speed. And I'm going to indicate center mirror, right signal. I'm looking where I'm going. Okay, immediately I'm going to turn left as well. So mirror, signal, and did the cross hand. Okay, I need to make sure it's safe, clear. Yes, it's fine. So I need to keep this steady speed. Speed limit is 20 speed limit because I can't see ahead really clearly. I have to go slow as possible. There's a warning sign saying again another sharp left bend. There's a van approaching. I'm ease off, checking the mirror is fine, nobody behind me. I try to slow down, let him pass, check the mirror, increase the speed. The sign saying slow, the reason is sharp left bend. Okay, there's a side road as well. I can see little bit ahead through the trees, nobody ahead. It's fine, still clear, 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 fine. 16 mile, 17 mile. I'm increasing a little bit faster. 19 speed limit. I try to make the hump exactly underneath the car. I'm making 20 speed limit. Steady, nobody behind me. Another sharp right bend. There's a warning sign hidden by the trees. A little bit push. So the bend. I need to go really steady speed and slowly as possible. If somebody comes, I have to brake gently, not the emergency braking. So it's clear the park vehicle on my side. I'm going to turn right, the next right. I can see the marking, center mirror, right signal. Still I can see is clear on my left side. So I'm not going to cross the center line as well. So use my point of turn. There's a car with a brake light and there's bend. The road is bending towards the left side. I need to go slowly. I did spot the person. That's it. She's locking the car. Safe. That's it. Park vehicle on the both sides. This is the safe speed in this situation. Again, the road is bending towards the left side. So I don't know who's coming from there. I need to go nice and slowly. Make sure both side is clear as well. And use my point of turn. There's a car coming. I'm going to stop. Let's see what he can go. That's it. Two cars can't fit. I didn't hit the curb. Fine. Okay. So there's a park vehicle on the right side. Goes nice and slowly. Try to look through the windows. Yes, clear now. I'm keeping this speed. Suddenly, if anybody come in, this is the really quiet road. I'm going to pull over on the right side. Center mirror, right signal. Nice and steady. Indicate back on. Secure the vehicle, cancel the signal.
Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends and family members. Drive safe, save life. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.